Hey everybody, welcome back. We are talking about silhouettes today. So I have finally found the full set. Took a little time and a little bit of effort running around, but finally did track down all 5 of the Silhouette series cars, the Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture. So we are going to open them up. We are going to free the cars because, you know, it's all about the cars. Great packaging on these ones though, I have to say. These ones are awesome. I think the way that they've been painted almost in a Art Deco sort of fashion is really kind of neat. And so we're going to open these ones up. We'll go number 1 to number 5 and free the cars. So first one in the series is the 1976 Chevy Monza. So that one pictured obviously in a great blue and red card with a almost like a cartoon-like image of the car. I think that's awesome. So let's get that opened up, get that out of there, see how this looks. So we have a beautiful paint scheme on this. Tampos all around. Obviously, being a premium car, we've got rubber tires, metal base, and some great little side pipes on that. Looks like clear windows, black interior. This wing on the back is actually metal. So we'll put that here and let her turn. You can see in the background we've got the ones from the last video, the 1941 military half-ton 4x4 in the regular and chase version. And so on to the next car in the Silhouette series. So we have 1976 Greenwood Corvette. Again, great art. We got this one's a green and orange card. The car is wicked. Okay, so let's get that out. Let's free this car. Sure it doesn't want to be in the package either. So this one we got the Mancuso Chevrolet number 78. We got the glass front headlights, again rubber tires. This must be a metal base even though it's powder coated white. Again, really cool. We'll get that one spinning. And so there it is. Love that wide and low slung Corvette. It's great. Okay, third in the series. Again, an orange and card with blue purple is the 78 Porsche 935-78. And again, pretty awesome picture on this card. And I'm excited to see this car. This one is so cool. Okay, so this one is on its way free. Oh, sorry about that, guys. So we have nice beautiful white Porsche Racer PPG with the 76 logo on there, some Bilstein number 9, blue rims, metal base, rubber tires. That's pretty wicked. That is pretty wicked. Alright. Man, is that ever nice. Okay, so number 4 in the series, which is probably my favorite of all of them, pretty excited about this one. Red and I don't know, I guess it's kind of pink. But we've got the RWB Porsche 930 in a matte black paint job. This one definitely deserves to be free. Okay, so here we go. Man, is that ever sharp. I like that little side window with the little sleeve that opens up. That's pretty cool. Again, we got metal base. And that is sharp. Okay. Got that bad boy spinning. And then last, but definitely not least, we have number 5 in the series, Nissan Skyline Silhouette. Again, super cool image, yellow and red card. I mean, it just pops. So awesome. Just awesome. This one here, I believe, is actually based on a real life race car. And then we've got Nissan logo on the front, number 25. Skyline obviously on the back. We've got white rims, black metal base, rubber wheels. I want to say that's, the glass is kind of blacked out. But it is kind of cool. I think this has a plastic, yeah, it does have a plastic wing. So it's not a full metal wing. And it looks like the blacked out glass is also the headlights. And we've got obviously tampoed backlights. Slick. Very, very slick. I'm liking this a lot. Liking it a lot. There it is. Okay, so there are all 4 cars. That is a sweet, sweet little collection, and I'm really happy to have it. Hope you enjoyed that. Do me a favor, everybody. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next video. Bye for now.